Hi, this is Mr. Leake talking to Year 10 about their Christmas exam. Now, the exam itself is going to be on Thursday, the 4th of December, period 1. Okay, that is the time when all of Year 10 is on at exactly the same time. The exam paper is out of 60 marks, right, which basically means you should have an hour. So what I need you to do is I need you to get to whichever room you're in as quick as you possibly can, and it's every single class in the whole of Year 10. Now, why are we doing an exam? What I've got to do is I've got to keep on looking at the setting that people are in to make sure that you are in the correct set. I need to be looking at your attitude, because those people that are working hard now, they're going to have a pretty good attitude. Right? And what they then need to do is they need to be in the correct set. And anybody that's got a poor attitude, then we need to have conversations about it. And we also need to be looking about what paper people are going to be doing. Okay, so whether it's higher or foundation, because I don't like it, but the fact of the matter is that if you do the higher paper and the real thing at the end of year 11 and you get 1 mark lower than a grade 4, you get a U. In foundation, the maximum grade you can get is a grade 5. Okay, so you have to be entered for the higher paper, and that process and that setting and that paper is going through my head all the time for all 160 of you. Now, the examination. What it's on all those subjects that you've been getting tested on in class. So it's all of the units in year 9. It's cell biology, atomic structure and the periodic table, particle model, atomic structure physics, and the organization topic. There's also going to be additional questions based on units that you've done in year 10, which is bonding and structure and infection and response, okay, which will be finished well before your exam. Now, there also is going to be a required practical. There might be 1, there might be 2, there might be 3. And the required practicals that could be there are microscopy, density, osmosis, which is the potato one, making salts, food tests, enzymes, and specific heat capacity. They are some of the required practicals that could be on. Like I said before, there could be 1, there could be none, there could be 3. I don't know how many there's going to be. Now, for information to make sure you are revising, because you've got a month. You need to go to mrleakscience.com. You should have been doing this already. You go down to Year 10 Christmas Exam 2025 combined. The revision for combined and revision for separate is exactly the same. You go onto there and you can find the dates. You should have done all these already. The required practicals are down the right-hand side, and the cell biology knowledge test is on the left-hand side, just like all the others. You then need to scroll down, and you need to make sure you know everything, because if you don't know the facts, you're not going to do very well. The final thing I need to say is thank you to all those people that are working hard and following the process through. You've got to do it. Right, you've got to do it. It may well only feel like it's kind of first term in year 10, but end of year 11 will come very soon. And what you've got to do is you can do anything. So if you start working hard right now, there's no reason at all why you can't get that unbelievably good grade. So get out there, go home, revise, because the exams aren't easy, but you can do it.